In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Ads account so you can start exploring online advertising and prepare for running campaigns. Setting up an account is quick and straightforward, even if you're completely new to the platform. To begin, open your web browser and go to ads.google.com, making sure you're on the official Google website. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. You'll then be taken to Google's secure login page, where you can sign in using an existing Google account, such as one you use for Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive. If you don't have a Google account yet, you can create one directly from the sign-in page before continuing. After signing in, your Google Ads account will automatically be created, and you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From there, you can explore the interface, review campaign options, and become familiar with sections like campaigns, tools, and billing settings. If you plan to manage ads for a business, consider using a dedicated Google account for better organization and easier collaboration. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.